Hi, I'm Colette from St. Margaret School Secondary, and I've been in Writers at Work from Secondary 1 to 4. I will definitely miss the fun interactive lessons that I experienced at Writers at Work. I believe that these lessons have helped me better understand and remember the different content and skills taught. For example, when oral lessons were taught, my teacher would get us to stand up and present our responses to the rest of the class, who would then comment on them. This method of teaching has helped me grasp the different statistics and ideas taught by Writers at Work that has eventually proved to be effective in helping me in both the oral component and when writing argumentative essays. I feel that there are two things about Writers at Work classes that are unique and the best. For starters, my teacher took the initiative to hold additional classes for us when we were in Secondary 4 to further prepare us for the upcoming O-level examinations. Through these lessons, I have learnt a plethora of information, allowing me to better understand the different issues the world faces in some movements, such as the financial independence retire early, FIRE movement. These lessons have proved to be paramount in aiding me in my studies, as they have helped me to score a 25 out of 30 for my Secondary 4 preliminary examinations, which has, in turn, boosted my confidence in my abilities. Moreover, I love that I was able to make new friends in my Writers at Work classes, which also contributed to me looking forward to going for class every week. Oh, my most unforgettable class at Writers at Work was when the essay dumpster diving was taught, as we were shown CNA videos about freegans in Singapore who partake in dumpster diving, and this lesson helped me to learn the different lifestyles and perspectives of different people in the world. Personally, my favorite essay would be Dumpster Diving. The plot is not only unique for an essay, but also engaging with the vivid descriptions given. It is also very versatile, as all Writers at Work narrative and personal recount essays are. As such, they are easy to manipulate according to the different essay questions given. And the dumpster diving essay has gotten me a 10 out of 10 for the content component of my essay for my Secondary 4 school preliminary examinations. I found the visual text component the most challenging. However, Writers at Work's model answers have provided us with the keywords required for me to score marks in this particular component. Yes, I definitely believe in the salience of being able to write well, as being able to do so will help one to express their thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively, thus allowing for more efficient communication, which is greatly valued in Singapore's fast-paced society. Furthermore, being able to write well will open up more doors for us. For example, being able to write well in the English subject in secondary school will increase our chances of getting an A in the O-level examinations. As such, this would enable us to be eligible to take this subject called English Language and Linguistics that is only offered in a few junior colleges in Singapore. Being able to write well with good grammar and clear expressions would definitely aid in school essay examinations, be it in the humanities, the English language, or the general paper that junior college students have to take, thus helping us to do better. After all, it is only natural for us to want to do well in examinations. I look forward to experiencing what the working world is like, thus preparing me for what to expect when I join the workforce in the future.